This is Fortescue's brand new battery electric locomotive, one of two here in the Pilbara. It has a 5.6 megawatt battery and 14.5 megawatt hours spread across 210 battery units inside. But what this train is not is Fortescue's Infinity train. That was an 8 megawatt hour locomotive, but you might remember it was cancelled in September last year. It was cancelled because what Fortescue realised was that it had a problem with physics. What kind of physics? Well, basics like wind resistance, because the square-shaped wagons they used to haul the 40,000 tonnes of iron ore each trip created too much drag. Even the way the wheels interact with the track created too much natural resistance for the battery to function as Fortescue needed it to. Now what Fortescue is planning on doing is looking into a whole range of different battery technologies, from solid state, sodium ion, you name it, and it's working on them now. But today it's the start of 2026. The company has a goal of real zero emissions by 2030. So it now has 4 years to replace 70 locomotives or something like this if it wants to make this.